Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily get a transparent watermark on CapCut. So first you need to prepare your video that you want to add a watermark, and here I'm going to use the green image for making the watermark first. And you can just go to tags and add your watermark tags, choose your favorite font. Okay, for example this one, click on the check icon and then adjust the size, go to style first and then shadow, and here choose the black color and set the opacity to around 65. Click on the check icon and then after that just screenshot the image. Okay, after that just delete the text and also the green screen. And then go to overlay and add the screenshot that you add in the overlay. Okay, just crop it so that it will only have the green screen part. Okay, like this. Fit the size, and then after that go to cutout, click on chroma key and drag the color picker into the white color. Okay, adjust the intensity and also the shadow into 100. Okay, click on a check icon and then after that export the video. Then you can just go back and delete the overlay. And now add another overlay of the video that you've just exported. Okay, this video is right here, and you can just adjust the size or you can just leave it as it is. Go to cutout, click on chroma key and then drag the color picker to the green color, adjust the intensity into 100. Click on a check icon and now you'll have that watermark here. You can just place it anywhere you want, and then just lastly you can add this glow effects. Go to the video effects, click on the lens and find edge glow. Okay, click on the effect, click on object and now apply it to the overlay. And now you are done with the transparent and glow watermark. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and also click on the thanks below. Bye.